In this video, I'm going to be giving you my Hula AI review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the Hula AI app is designed to be your personal productivity and planning assistant, and it does a really impressive job of streamlining everyday tasks. The interface is sleek and intuitive. You can jump right in without a steep learning curve. What sets Hula apart is how it uses AI to help organize your schedule, manage to-dos, and even suggest the best times for certain activities. It feels like a rigid planner and more like a smart companion that adapts to your habits. You can integrate your calendar, set reminders, and get nudges to stay on track throughout the day, which makes it especially handy for people juggling work, study, or even family responsibilities. The AI assistant is conversational, so you can just type or speak naturally and it understands what you mean. For example, you can say, "Remind me to call John tomorrow afternoon," and it will slot that time in correctly. The app also learns over time, so the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting your needs. On the plus side, it's reliable, lightweight, and doesn't feel overwhelming and with clutter. On the downside, like most AI tools, it's still not perfect. Sometimes suggestions are a bit generic and offline functionality is limited. Overall though, Hula AI makes productivity feel effortless. If you struggle to keep on top of tasks with traditional planners, this is a refreshing alternative.